If you want to remove a payment method or credit card from your Steam account on Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your saved payment methods inside the Steam desktop app and delete the card you no longer want linked to your account. This is useful if you've changed banks, replaced your card, or simply want to keep your Steam account more organized and secure. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Steam application on your Windows PC. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile name. This opens a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your Steam account page where you can manage your profile and payment-related settings. Now on the account details page, look for the section labeled Store and Purchase History. Under this area, Steam will show your saved payment information, including any credit cards or payment methods that are currently linked to your account. You may see entries like Visa ending in certain numbers or another saved payment option. Find the card or payment method you want to remove. Next to it, you should see a Delete link. Click Delete next to the payment method you want to remove. Steam will likely ask you to confirm the action before it removes the card. Go ahead and confirm the deletion if prompted. Once you do that, the payment method will be removed from your Steam account on Windows PC. If you have more than one card saved, you can repeat the same process for any other payment methods you want to delete. Just make sure you're removing the correct card before confirming, especially if you still use Steam for purchases or subscriptions. And that's it. Your payment method or credit card has now been removed from Steam. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.